Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we are working on the classic I melted my siding with the grill. A simple home repair, and we're going to take care of it for less than 30 bucks. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. So we've got the siding here. This is a vinyl siding, and we need to get the right size, the right color. First things first, we're gonna measure the siding in a spot that's not melted. I'm gonna throw my tape up here, measure to the first lap. I've got exactly 5 inches, which means this is double 5. And because I have an extra little bevel here, this bevel makes it Dutch lap. So this is double 5 Dutch lap siding. If you don't have a bevel right here, then it's just straight, double 5 straight. Now that I know what size siding I need, I'm gonna snip off a little piece, take it to my building supply store, and tell them I need double 5 Dutch lap in this particular color. Now this is the sunny side of the house, so it's not gonna match exact. This side has been sun bleached heavily. So I'll flip the siding over where the sun hasn't penetrated the finish, and then we can get a closer color. So this part is already detached. It looks like I'm going to need 1, 2, and this one's a little melted as well. 3 pieces to replace. After you get it unclipped, you can just rip it off of the house. This piece looks like it's good, but I have a little bit of a flare right there. I want to make sure I get this one changed too. Now to get this piece disconnected from my top piece, I'm going to use my trusty zipper tool. Now this one's cut in around the window. Let's make sure we stencil that onto our new piece. Now this is bare OSB, and it should have some house wrap, Tyvek, or something on it, but it doesn't look like any of the house is wrapped, so I'm not going to put any there. Pull the nails, and you can save these because you can probably reuse them. I got my new cut piece. Now this little lip on the bottom is going to slide up under this lip. Keep it tight, and then secure the top. Now when you nail these off, you're not going to want to send the nail home. You're going to want to leave about 1/8 of an inch because the siding likes to flex. Now we got a little bit of a color variance here, but there's not a lot we can do. This is the sunny side of the house. If I flip it over, it's a lot closer to this one here than this sun bleach side. Now I'm going to take my under the window piece and trace it onto my new piece. Cut it with your snips. This long writ, I'll cut with a razor knife. Trusty zipper tool to clip it in. So that's it. We just rocked that siding repair. You thought your house was ruined? It's not. But now it's time to relocate that grill. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.